You've probably seen the stories about tourists getting sick in Nepal. I used to think it was just bad luck or bad hygiene. Then it happened to me. I went to Everest Base Camp for the trip of a lifetime and ended up in a hospital, forced into a $5,400 helicopter evacuation, and stuck in a place I literally couldn't leave until someone paid. The first couple of days were unreal, pure adrenaline. At one point, flying toward Lukla, I remember thinking this is the closest to God I've ever felt. But things felt a bit off from the beginning. We paid for a flight everyone knew rarely takes off. No alternatives until you're exhausted from waiting at the airport, and then miraculously, helicopters show up. 250 if you were desperate, 80 if you refused. Then people started getting sick. At first base, we lost a burly German guy. No one liked him anyway. Food poisoning, they said. Then it hit me. Food poisoning. Thinking about it now, was I the second most disliked or was it a coincidence? Lethargic, I pushed through, thinking I could handle it, but by 17,000 feet, I couldn't breathe. I was weak, dehydrated, and stuck with 4 more days of descent ahead. That's when the guide started pushing one option hard, a heli ride down for $5,400. I said I'd figure out a cheaper way, but they said they wouldn't provide the paperwork I needed for insurance. I had nowhere to argue. What happened next felt surreal. At the bottom, I was picked up in what looked like a 1970s ambulance and taken to a hospital that felt more like a hotel. Nice room, food, showers, the works. At first, it almost felt like a reward until I tried to leave. They wouldn't let me go until the bill was paid. That trip was supposed to be a dream, and now when I think about Everest, this is the part I remember most.